Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma and today I am going to be doing a what's in my fridge, what's in my cupboard video, so I hope you enjoy. Here's the fridge. It's very well stocked up, as you can see, as I only went shopping yesterday. Some of the stuff that's in here isn't actually my stuff, some of it is my fiancé's. I'm not gonna go, oh, this is my fiancé's, this is mine, this is my fiancé's, because that'll take all day. So I will start with the sides. I have some lard, that's for cooking my potatoes with. Got some tuber mints. I have chewing gum in there, some soothers, plus some other mints. I like to keep them in the fridge because then they're nice and cool. I have some low fat spread, some sesame seeds and some high chew, some more chewing gum. I don't know why, but I have a packet of cashew nuts in there. A jam, and then milk, some juice and olives. And then in here I have some mousses, muffins, yogurts, a pie, some sweets, wine gums, a bit early for these, but I saw them in Asda and I thought, why not? They're new and I'd like to try them. So I picked up some of them. Some Greek style yogurts, some Yorkie mousses, coins. Again, they are for Christmas. I don't mean I'm going to save them till Christmas, I just mean that they're a Christmas product. I checked my fiancé, they're his. Toffee mousse, pies, a pork pie, chocolate, Hero, little tub with bits of ham in it, pork pie, some bread, gammon steaks, I love gammon, and then some biscuits and some chocolate and some sweets underneath, another pie, chocolate supremes, pasties, some fruit, some more juice, a trifle and some more yogurts, some more sweets. Just pop this pie back in there, not holding that all day. More stuff. This is my favourite, Black Forest. Some fridge raiders at the back. Can't remember what else I've got in here. Oh yeah, bacon. I did put some pork loins in here as well somewhere. Got some ham. Here they are. Peppers. And a few more yogurts in there. Oh lovely, I've got my yogurt stuck. That doesn't always happen. And then in here, I've got my veg. Some carrots, onions, and some more onions, mushrooms. And that's it for the fridge for the moment. And I am now going to show you what is in my cupboards. So, moving on. That always makes a noise, so I do apologise. So, got some cinnamon. That pasta sauce needs chucking because it's quite old. Some chives, ground cumin, and some more curry powder behind the chives. Those jams need throwing. as does the cream crackers. And the mug shots and snack stops, have had them for quite a long time. The sweeteners aren't even mine, I think they're my dad's. Noodles. Pot noodles in here. I do like pot noodles, but some are for my fiancé. And the others are for me. The curry ones are mine, as I don't think he likes curry pot noodles. 2 sweet and sours are for me, and then the rest are for him. Beetroot, I have some bourbon sauce, and I have some more bourbon sauce as well, some ketchup, some salad cream behind that bourbon sauce. I have more olives. I keep my candles in the cupboard as well. Lemon curd, I'll move some of these so you can see what's in there. Apple sauce, I have some fry light, some salad cream, got some chocolate limes in there as well. I have some beans and sausage. I love beans and sausage, absolutely love them. Chicken soup, peas, more peas, fruit cocktail, that's the wrong side, mixed beans, and not quite sure what else I have in here, despite the fact that I went shopping yesterday, so I should know what's in here. Beans, what else? Sliced mushrooms, ravioli. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, beans and sausage is my absolute favourite. I actually thought that they stopped selling it at one point because I looked on the website and they had none of those. And I also went into the store and they didn't have any of those either. And I thought, oh no. And I was absolutely devastated. And then 2 weeks later, they had got some on the bottom shelf. So I was like, yay! I was really happy. Oh yeah, and some beef burgers. Well, burgers. They're not actually mine either. So, that's everything in the cupboard. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.